Are you a concerned parent who trusts science and understands that without a district mask mandate, the health and safety of your child has been compromised? Do you also care about other people's children, regardless of political affiliation? Are you someone who understands that education is not a one-size-fits-all, and therefore you find it problematic that this year districts are not offering virtual learning options for students? Do you feel completely powerless in your ability to demand better learning conditions for children? Then this tutorial is for you. Part 1, Texas Governor Greg Abbott is the one behind the ban on mask mandates, so you need to reach out to him. Governor Abbott has 2 accounts on Instagram, here they are. He also has 2 accounts on Facebook. Here's the other one. And of course you will find him on Twitter. Here's one account, and here's the other one. You can try calling, email, snail mail, but you probably won't get a response. Step 2, pressure the school district. How do you do that? I'll show you. You'll need to go to your school district website and do 2 things. First, you want to search school board meetings. There should be a schedule, an agenda, as well as instructions on how to sign up to speak at the next board meeting. The second thing you want to do is search the school board members/trustees, find their contact information. They'll usually give emails, phone numbers, and most of them will have social media. You want to tag all of them. Not everyone is comfortable speaking publicly, so if this is scary or intimidating for you, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Write it down or type it out first. Side note, the first time I ever spoke at a school board meeting was in 2014, and since then, I always read my speeches. Ain't no shame in that game. You want to introduce yourself and how you are affiliated with the district. Tell them what you want and why it is important. Make your request stronger by citing a news article or scientific data. They usually only give speakers 2 to 3 minutes, so make your points quickly. You got this. By the way, these advocacy skills that I'm sharing with you can totally be used to help fight and end standardized testing. I've done many TikToks on why this billion-dollar industry is not beneficial for students, so check those out. And if you found this information helpful, please share it with as many parents and teachers as you can. Thanks.